Hey, y'all.
Surprise!
Yes,
I met sis at Publix.
This is a 70 cents. Welcome back to Savers.
This weekend, Cindy, we're at the Publix. It is, I don't know what day
What
it is.
day
30th.
Is it? It's the 30th.
The day before Thanksgiving.
Yes. No,
y'all gonna see
she
this.
said the day before Thanksgiving, y'all. It's the 30th that we're recording. You will see this on the 31st. Okay?
Yeah.
We are... Oh, I don't need to tell you this right now because you're going to be watching it when you see it. That's beyond the point. But yes, we're heading in.
I won't always be here. Just
Yes.
know that. I'm at it today, y'all. Scooted on 2 wheels to get down here and get these deals.
And I scooted on 2 wheels too. I was 2-wheeling it. Anyways, we about to go in here. We got some deals. So let's get to it. All right, y'all. Okay, y'all, so there's 2 different ways that you can do this deal. You're looking either for the Cheerios priced at $6.49. We don't have too many in our store that are priced at $6.49. Most of ours are priced at $6.99, y'all. Okay, so just keep that in mind. You can also look for the Cinnamon Toast Crunch. I have $1 off of 1, and I have $1 off of 2 Publix digital coupon. So if you pick up 1 box, you're gonna end up paying $2.49, and then you'll also get 50 cents back on Ibotta. That's gonna make this $1.74. Okay,
but
is
if
that
you
right?
got 2, yeah. If
3
you got 2, it would be $2.24 each with 2 50-cent Ibottas and $1 off of 2 coupons.
There you go. So whatever works for you, go in and pick it on up.
Okay, guys, the next deal is on these Quaker Oats priced at $7.99. Buy 1 get 1 free. You're gonna pick up 2 for $7.99. We have $2 back on Ibotta. It'll make them $5.99 or $2.99 each, which is a good deal, y'all. This is a big old thing.
Yeah, this Big Mama.
Look,
they're normally $7.99.
I got some cookie recipes, some oatmeal
Look at
cookies
that
on there.
oatmeal cookie surprises.
Surprise! Pick it on up, y'all.
Okay, y'all, so next up we have a deal that requires no coupons. These are buy 1 get 1 free, y'all, at $2. So these are $1 a box. This is a really, really good deal. It's just a average old black tea, but sometimes you just need that in your life. Okay, so go and pick that up. You can make some regular tea with that. Okay, all right. Next up, we got these popcorners. I just want to let y'all know I about turned a corner and almost missed it. Okay.
Yeah, this is a display.
These are buy 1 get 1 free at $4.79. We're gonna be picking up just 1, which is gonna be $2.39. Okay. We're looking for $1 off of 1 coupon. That's gonna make 1 bag $1.39. Yeah, I'm gonna try these cinnamon crunches, and Tamika's getting, I think, white cheddar. But I love a little crunchy crunch sweetness. All right.
Okay, guys, here's another deal you don't need no coupons for. It's on these healthy plates priced at $7.99. You can pick up 1 or 2. Picking up 1 is $3.99 for 130 plates. This is a good deal. If you look at those 50 right there, they're $4.49.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is a great deal. Y'all got to remember holidays are coming up. I would definitely
You
pick
need
it
them
up.
plates.
All right, pick it on up, y'all.
Next up, we have these Robert Crunch. No,
Robert Irvine's Fit Crunch Balls.
Thank you. He's a chef. These are buy 1 get 1 free today at $1.69. Just today only. I'm just kidding. You're gonna buy 3. It's $2.50.
53 cents.
Why can't I talk? For 3. We have this coupon that Tamika's showing you, a buy 2 get 1 free coupon. That's gonna make them. That's gonna take off $1.69 and make them 84 cents for all 3, or 28 cents each. These 3 flavors work. We just scanned all of them. Okay, so just make sure you check before you pick it up. All right.
Okay, guys, for this deal, you have to have that $2 digital. If you don't have it and it expires on the 2nd, then it's not a good deal. But these are $14.79. I'm picking up 1 for $7.39. With the $2 digital, it makes this big Mama Jam just $5.39. Y'all, that's a fantastic deal.
That's
be on the lookout for any
loads,
Peelies and anything. Printables to come out. We had some a couple weeks ago.
Yep. Okay, y'all. So here's the next deal. You're looking for the Febreze items that qualify for this, priced at $3.29. The only ones that we see in our store are the sprays. It doesn't look like we have any Febreze small spaces that are priced at $3.29. So pick up. We have the Downy. Yes, this one I think works as well. Anyways, pick up 3 of these, and it's going to be $9.87. You're going to save $3 instantly for buying 3, and then you're going to clip this $3.30 off of 2. It's going to make them $3.57 for all 3, or $1.19 each. This is a pretty good deal. Yeah. Okay, that's real close to $1. Okay, pick it on up if you need it. Okay, y'all, so next up we have a deal on the Arm & Hammer Complete Care toothpaste. These are buy 1 get 1 free at $4.99 this week. You're going to pick up 2. We have $1.50 off of 1, and then we also have $1.50 potentially, well, not potentially, on swag bucks, but we might have a printable. We have a printable. There you go. So it's going to make them 99 cents each, so not a bad deal, but you always can just pick up 1, y'all, okay? For 99 cents. All right.
Okay, guys, look, we've been trying to get this. Now, this stuff will have you pumped up. This is regular price. This is Caffè Bustelo Espresso, $6.19. We have, Lord, I forgot to show y'all.
Yeah, hold on. We have not bought a rebate, y'all.
We do. That's a good one.
Yeah.
I seen it last week and didn't pick it up.
Yeah, sis didn't tell me about it. I said, God done.
My whole mind forgot, y'all.
It's okay. She's scanning now.
Hold on. We
Live
got
update.
$3 back.
Yeah.
That's gonna make it $3.19. Y'all better
Which
pick
y'all
this
know
up.
is
It's a limit
good
of
for
one.
iced coffee. I mean, cold brew. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Pick it on up.
Okay, guys. Next deal is on these Wassa crackers. You look for the ones priced at $3.99. You're gonna pick up one. We have $1 back on Fetch, limit of one. And then we have 345 shop kicks and skins, which is, how much is that, Lord? I only see it.
$1.38.
$1.38. Then you're gonna scan the Merrifield for just 20 points back, 20 cents back for just a product scan.
Yep.
That will make them free plus a 59-cent money maker.
It's a great deal.
So definitely pick it up if you need it.
There you go. All right, y'all.
This deal's gonna depend on what you got, okay? But I'm going up with what Cindy has.
Yes.
So these are buy one get one free at $4.10, which is just good in itself, okay?
Yep.
You're gonna pick up 3 if you have what Cindy got. That'll be $6.15. She has $1 off of one digital, okay? So take that off. And then we have 3 $1 Ibotta rebates, okay?
Yes, and then I also have $1 off of two digital.
And most people do, okay? So keep that in mind.
Yes.
That's gonna make them $1.15 or 38 cents each.
Yes, y'all.
Now I have the $1 off of 2. I'm gonna pick up 2 because I have $1 off of 2 digital and $1 off of 2 on Ibotta. That's gonna make mine $2.10 or $1.05. It's a good deal.
It's a good deal.
So pick them up. It's a great deal.
There you go.
Okay, y'all. Sis found a fantastical deal on this Sargento cheese. Select varieties. Make sure you scan in store. They are 2 for $6. We have $1.50 on Ibotta. Limit of 5. It's gonna make each bag $1.50, y'all. We want to get all the cheese
because Sargento is one of our favorites. So let me put y'all on. You want to make tacos in an air fryer? The creamery one, them two. Oh, they're my favorites. They're my favorites. I hate to say
all
it.
of them, though, so
it doesn't. So make sure you scan on Ibotta and in the app. All right, y'all, pick it on up. All right, y'all. So next up, we have these Motrin ibuprofens 100 coated tablets. You're looking for the ones priced at $10.99. They're buy one get one free. That's already great. We have a $5 off of 2. You're gonna clip that. That is gonna make these what? $5.99.
Where to go? It's gonna make them
$5.99 or $2.49 each. Is that what we said?
$5.99 or $2.99.
$2.99 each. Okay, so really great deal. Go on and pick it up if you need it.
Okay, the next deal is on these toaster strudels at $3.28. Buy one get one free. We have $1 off of 2 now. It's the same as the Pillsbury, so watch out for the cookies.
Yep.
Okay, yours may be different, and then we have $1 off of 2 on Ibotta. It's gonna make them $1.28 or $1.68 or 84 cents each. So
this is a
good
good deal.
If you need it.
There you go.
This deal, you're gonna pick up 3 of the Talini ice creams priced at $6.89. If buy one get one free, that'll be $10.33. We have my swag bucks ain't working right now, but we have $5 back on 3 swag bucks inbox dollars. And then we have, hold on, y'all. Okay, so you have $2,500 when you spend 12. It's gonna count the full price, so that you'll get that. And then you're gonna get, I have 50 cents back. You'll get that back 3 times, and then
It depends on if you're tracking.
This, okay?
Yeah.
You actually, if you get 3, you should complete it because it's gonna count the full price. Okay.
Yep, of the $6.89, y'all.
Yes. Okay. So it's gonna make 3 of them free plus a $4.50 money maker.
Yeah, it's a great deal. So everyone's gonna be different, y'all. But pick it up if you want to. All right. Okay, y'all. So here is the next deal that we found, y'all. These are priced at $1.79. You're looking for the little 4-count bars. You know what it is. We have 475 shop kicks and scans on shop kick. That's going to be $1.90 back, and it's a limit of 3, making 3 of them completely free plus a money maker, y'all. So really, really great deal. Pick them up if you need them. All right, y'all. Okay, y'all. So clearly it's the next day. I feel like y'all are picking up on the way things kind of flow. But anywho, so me and sis ended up picking up a good amount of things yesterday. So let me just go through what I picked up because it is in my refrigerator right now. Okay. So I picked up 2 of the Talentis. We picked up the ones that were priced a little bit less. So we picked up the ones that were priced at $5.34 in our store. I picked up 2 of those because based upon the things that we had, I didn't need to get all 3. So you can really adjust that according to what you have. Okay. So just keep that in mind. So that is one thing. I also picked up the protein bars. I picked up 3 of those. I picked up the what is it called? The Cafe Bustelo iced coffee, like the cold brew coffee, y'all. That's my favorite coffee. I've been wanting to try it anyway, so I grabbed that. I also grabbed the 3 packs of the Pillsbury cookies. I also grabbed Y'all, I got so much stuff. Oh, the Kinder bar. I'm trying to think. What else did I get? I also grabbed the, what am I thinking of? Y'all, I think, was that it? Or did I get more stuff? I feel like I got some more stuff, y'all. I ended up getting a good amount of stuff. Anyways, my subtotal for everything that I ended up picking up that I can currently remember was $23.70. $23.74. Yes, I think that's what it was. $23.74 or $23.76. It was somewhere around there. I ended up getting $9 back from Ibotta, $3 for the Cafe Bustelo. I got back $3 for the $3 for the Pillsbury items. Y'all, I am forgetting something. Hold on, let me go check and figure out what I'm forgetting. How could I forget? It was the Sargento cheese, y'all. That's what I forgot. Okay, I picked up 2 of the Sargento cheeses, and then I got $3 back from the Sargento cheese on Ibotta. I got back $6.96 from Fetch. That included some Pillsbury Fetches that I had that are no longer available from what I could see. Ours were expiring as of today, or yesterday, or something like that. So $6.96 there. I got back $2 on Swag Bucks. I got back $1.90 from Shopkick. I think that's everything, and I think that ended up making my subtotal for everything less than $5. So everything was a great deal. I have no complaints. The deals were fantastic, so make sure you make it over to Publix. I hope that you guys are enjoying these videos, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye, guys.